And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Back on the car. This one will be a short one. I've got too many projects going on today. But it's super clean. You can see the filter now like you're supposed to. So, okay guys, we'll add this into the video. All right, see ya.
Dr. Scotty, we have filled the fuel bowl of the carburetor multiple times.
Yep.
Had it idle, high idle, revved it, works fine. But our bowl here, as you can see, barely at the bottom of the filter. What say you, Doctor?
I had remembered something when I was putting this together.
From your many years of freelance proctology?
Yes. Actually, you know what? We're going to do it this way. Let's do it once, do it right.
Do you want to fill the glass bowl with gas?
Nope. I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen.
We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know any gentlemen.
Well, you know, hey.
We're just being nice.